Ostriches are the largest living birds found in the continent of Africa. Ostriches have a long neck and long legs. Ostriches can't fly in the sky due to its long neck, long legs, and heavy weight. They are the flightless and running birds. In Discovery and National Geography Channel, we saw this kind of birds living in desert land and in large areas of Africa. Ostriches runs at a speed of 70 km per hour. Observe how the ostriches runs very fast. Ostriches lays large number of eggs as compared to that of all the birds in the world. Ostriches eats various kinds of food items like flowers, roots, lizards and insects. Observe and eating habits of ostriches. Ostriches are not aggressive towards human beings. In the wild, ostriches runs away from human beings and animals.